my goodness gracious.
Yeah, it's not good.
Ooh, but I love it. Look, even all the lights are still on and everything. The motor is somewhere else, but it ejected by pulling itself out. I guess I better unplug it. Good.
Okay, folks, it's another Eclipson explosion.
Oh.
Yeah, once again, exactly. I just print another body.
Yeah.
And
but all the, like, even this gear parts and all that, the wheels, I could basically take those off, put it in a new one, and away we go.
There's no shame.
Both these servos, even though they look like this one looks rough.
Yeah.
But I basically unbolt that from there and put
Yep.
it on.